Just a recap of overall design. Next to the main line, I have dug a pit which is 10 inches wide and 35 inches deep. And then after that, the trench goes underneath the sidewalk and all the way to the front bushes. There I have installed the backflow preventer and then trenched along the front yard where I created those three zones. The blue zone is for covering the side strip next to the sidewalk. In the camera angle, it's looking big, but it's small. And the orange zone is for the other big part of the front yard. And for the bushes, I have created another zone which is in the yellow color. Well, that's the high level design of the front yard zones. Now let's do the practicals. Let's go. Wow, look at those three zones. They are so cute. I like them. The main line has been branched into three different zones. Here you see the color pattern there: blue, orange, yellow. Here you're seeing the orange line where I'm installing the sprinklers. There you go, one, the next one. Yep. And then the third one, fourth one there. Well, the toughest part of the project is to clean up everything that I messed up. Now, if you look at the lawn before the installation, it's so green. But after the installation, you see I messed up everything in the front yard. And then I was telling everyone that this is the best lawn in the entire neighborhood. But once you see those sprinklers firing up all cylinders, I bet you would forget everything in this world, won't you?